Thokozani. Sithi Andlovukazi. Andlovukazi. Anomkhubulwane. 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 Angwedi. 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 Antu. 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 Amthethokazi. 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 Anomdudula. Anomdudula. Aloli. Aloli. Avutha amazulu. Avutha amazulu. Ayimotep. Ayimotep. Thokozani. Thokozani, Thokozani. Siyabonga. Siyabonga, siyabonga Indlovukazi namhlanje. Sibonga kakhulu manisasikhumbula. Kepha kunendlovukazi esihlala ikhona zisifukeme. Siyabonga Ndlovukazi, siyabonga mama. Ngoba inina niyasizala. Yingakho thina la ekhemu umoya kaMama subekele phezulu kakhulu. Ngoba ngaphandle komama asilutho. And uyu mama lo osinikeze leya gene yokuthi sibe self reliant. Kepha ke umhlaba wasidukisa. Sigcina sesilandela abantu. Sikungamelanga silandela abantu. Manje siyayibonga, sibonga leso sibeletho sezulu esenze konke kube khona emhlabeni. So umama nje into esemqoka kakhulu kithi ngaso sonke isikhathi. Namhlanje ke sizobuka ke ukuthi uMaat njengoba Maat remembers yonke into ebhidlizwe umbhidlizo set. Manje ke thina we are approaching life very intelligently. Ngokwazi ukuthi we are flowing, nalo moya. Akukho la si resista khona lo moya. Yingakho nje imikhuleko yethu nemiphahlo yethu izophendulo. Inkinga yethu ipatience. Asina patience. Sifuna umvelinqangi nonomkhubulwane baphendule ngalesikhathi sethu. Kanti akukho njalo. Izulu nomhlaba ziyahlangana zivumelana makufike isikhathi sakhona. So ungathi mawusweleke namhlanje bese kuya give up. You just say ukuthi wena we are useless. We are not worthy of anything. Isikhathi sakho asikafiki. Into nje okumele uhlale uyenza ukuthi ulokho ukhanyise lesibane sakho. Yini isibane sakho? Italent lakho. Ngoba ngaphandle kwale talent kwawena nje ufile. You are a walking corpse. Ngoba isibane sakho awusikhanyisanga. Awuvuke ekseni umamela umoya ukuthi umoya uthi ngenzeni namhlanje. Uyenze leyo nto. Shokuthi we are being programmed, to be like ama robots. Singama robots kahle kahle. Ngoba all we live for is to satisfy the needs of our flesh. The fleshy nook yiyo lesibhayizisa kakhulu. Kanti yazi sometimes when you give in and say kumoya, so lese ifuna wena, mina ngisenamandla ukuyiphusha. In that way kula imagic yenzakala khona, because now ukhulula wonke amafindo obuwa bophile wena self ngalama expectations akho that are unrealistic. Uphahle bese ke uphahle wena bese ke uexpecta impendulo ngakusasa, and ethola ukuthi lento oyifunayo I resonate nalento oyiyo naturally. Wena because uhamba nama friends abo doctor, uhamba nama friends ama investment analyst, when you're not supposed to be there. So ungena kulo lama professions, why? Because of ubona laba abanye ukuthi baphila kanjani. Kanti umoya wena ukuthume somewhere Yingakho kusemqoka ukuthi sihambe ngekhalenda ngoba ikhalenda is able to give us umoya that we embody ngaphakathi. Because when you understand lo moya, you will then understand lento oze uyifumbathile la emhlabeni. Izulu, remember ukuthi thina we are a macrocosm, a microcosm of umvelinqangi. Meaning ukuthi all the cells ezihlanganise umvelinqangi are the very same cells that constitutes your body. Yabona. So manje ke if umvelinqangi uyadala ngomcabango, nawe you can create with your thought. Hey. So a challenge ukuthi we never monitor ourselves ukuthi ngelanga how much of negativity is in my mind. And then sometimes you can't control it because the thoughts are all over. They are all over. Yizo lezi ezenza ukuthi ungakhona ukuconnecta directly with your inner self, umoya wako. It's these thoughts. Because they come flooding. So when you need to focus on one thing, there's a picture oyakayo, a picture of your own future in your mind before it manifests. Lento ifana ne-architect. I-architecture umuntu oyibhala lento but ubone la emqondweni qala. He had a clear picture in his mind before athatha ipheni azayilobe lento. So our minds yiyo ke lento sithi kumele sibe ne-self reliance. Ungabi isigqila sabantu. Why? Because wena awukhoni. Wena nawe you have the ability to be a billionaire ngalento yakho. If you are able to make italent lakho your source of income, impilo yakho is like umthandazo. It's like we are phahla all the time. Ngoba there's resonance. Lo moya lo is getting a full expression. Lo ongaphakathi kuwena. Uma ulokho ubaza, uma ulokho create izinto for the future. Because that's why we are here. To actually develop for umvelinqangi ukuthi azibonakalise ukuthi yena amandla akhe angakanani by us creating. Because all the thoughts that we receive zivela kumvelinqangi. Who is ubani ophethe yonke lemicabango ekufika elayo wena ungazi nokuthi ibuyapi? Umvelinqangi, it's the sun. Remember ukuthi the sun produces hydrogen and our DNA is bonded by hydrogen. So therefore, as long as the sun is there, siyayithola sithini sambule. Uthole bathi ubani lo mlungu lo who learned about the force of gravity by observing Apulaliwa. I mean, then and that person, that person then is then given the authority or leonto leo. I mean, ingane iyobukela iApulaliwa, then so we science leo. Kanto khokho bakhe knew about all these, four forces of the world. City, those are the Heru sons. Abafana or ingane zika Heru. Lezi ezigade the four corners of the world. So manje ke mesikhuluma ke ngomhlaba nayo yonke into in the universe. We're talking about ourselves because we are a mini universe ourselves. So which is why knowing yourself is the key. Meluzazi wena ukuthi i-resonance uyithola mokwenze njani, yini le engiyenza. Mengiyenza ngijabule to a point ukuthi I don't even need to be paid for me to do this thing, because it just gives me so much happiness, so much peace. That is what we must search for. Singaphili nje, ngokuthi everything yenzakala nje ad hoc. umqondo wakho nomoya wakho has the ability to be in Japan wena umzimba wakho ula. That is the speed of which you can do that. But now, because we are no longer trained to develop our minds and to know ourselves, sibona ngathi lezo zinto are impossible to actually do or achieve. So yingakho kumele sizikhumbuze ngaso sonke isikhathi to be self-reliant. When you are self-reliant, uthola ipeace. Yazi khona lento ukuthi kukhona i-source of income, but the source of income is nama conditions athize. And lawo ma conditions yiwo awenza ukuthi ungakhoni to fully express yourself ukuthi mina ngiyilento. Why? Because ngisaba ukuthi menga express bazo withdraw all the help that I need. And that is just an illusion. Ukuthi labantu laba can hold you by ilenduza bakukhombe ngesibhamu. Why? Because when you have the ability to get yourself out of this poverty. Just like we as African people, we have the ability to move out of this mess that we are in, which is caused by perpetuating the colonial mindset, which is still affecting our people. The more you colonize like the more uqilaza amadlo zakho. Which is why you need to decolonize, so that because wena uyinzalo yamakhosi namakhosikazi. So manjeke labantu who came and colonized you labo bantu hingane kuwe. When you need to know position yako as an African person. Ukuthi wena, you are the only individual in the world with a DNA strand, the 9 DNA strands. All other nations have got 6. It means when ukukhuphuka and connect nomvelenqangi nomkhubulwane, it just comes automatic. It's in your DNA, it's in your system. Leyo nto leyo. And yiyo ke into okumele sifunde, si understand ukuthi what does it mean for me to possess 9 DNA strands in my system? What does it mean? What abilities do I have naturally? So if you are still ignorant of that, you will always be a slave of somebody else. Remember ukuthi what we need to do. Ukuthi mawusebenza. Umsebenzi mele uwenze ilenduza base for you to feed yourself whilst you are still building your own dream. Ungapheleli ukuthi wena uzosebenza uziyofa emhlabeni. What does that mean? Umuntu athola sebenze for about 45 years in one place. Bambonge ngani ngenkomishi yekhofi. Benza njalo. Before okhokho bethu they would be given amawashi. Hamba ubheka isikhathi soyahamba vele ndoda. After usebenze for 50 years endaweni. Nakhona I still say ukuthi amakhehla benesibindi. 50 years wena uvuka wenza into yodwa. Hayi ayifuneka simpilo leyo. Kumele mawusebenza emntwini ube uwakha your own vision on the side. Ukuthi mengithole enough resources for me to kickstart my thing, I know ukuthi ngizokwenzani. 50 years ndoda. Umuntu abe proud. Ngisebenze for 50 years. Endaweni eyodwa. Angangithi manje ulokho ukhohlisa abelungu belokho bamthepha. You are a good boy. Good boy John. Bakunikeza icup lecoffee newashi. Kuthi manje seyichayile ndoda sakudingi la. Buyele ekhaya uyobuka ukuthi ama seconds angakanani. Kuthi vele manje ke ukufa lokho makhehla. We can't let that continue in this century. We need to promote self-reliance. Hey, not as a nation, the whole of the African nation, too dependent. Yini le economy of Africa? Who owns the economy of Africa? Right from Egypt to come here. Abotaki. Hoy. Manje yini ke? Slow in the market. How? The whole of Africa. Ayikho igroup yabotaki siyaziyo ukuthi they emerge to say these are the billionaires who control Africa. Bakhona lo bani lo wase Nigeria. Abotangote. Bayazama, but if vision yabo ayikho right, they need to align nabantu abamnyama. Ngoba with all the resources they have, inhlupheko yomuntu, it can just be eradicated in no time. If wonke lama billionaires angahlangana and come to where the people are, in townships, in rural areas, ungayilebo maseni, ufunani sentini. Ngoba inhlupheko ila elokishini. It's in the rural areas. But nakhona isikhathi sokuthi labantu batanase the way batanasa ngakhona. Ama-billionaires angempela are going to emerge from gatherings like this. Hey, umuntu ozothi mekethola i-billion, abazi ukuthi nginama programs of already in my mind that I want to support in the community. Those are the true people. Umuntu ozothi I will risk 400 million. Ngine billion angithi. 600 million hey man, nengane zami zofa singakaqedi le mali. Manje wena ufuna ukushona ke. Ungayisebenzisanga ngendlela right le mali. Sithi uma ungcwatsha ukuthi hey lo muntu bekuyibillionaire beyenemali ya driver zonke le imoto. But what help are we getting from you? Hey, manje ibanzima lento ngoba ezinye izizwe amaNdiya namaJuda benzani baqokelela imali bakunikeze wena ukuthi uqale ibusiness out of ama profits bayonikeza somebody else so that imali circulates amongst the people. Umqondo wawo wonke umuntu that is thinking normally, meaning ukuthi Africa is abnormal. We are abnormal siyagula la emakhaya. Hey, so ingakho siza la. You know, religiously also. Siza la ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi sizo cleaner. Lokugula kwethu. Lama chains ngoba ma chains are no longer physical. They are mental and spiritually. So we need to unshackle and break these chains la emqondweni wethu. Power esinawo, it's unbelievable. Africa or Africans in the world are in the majority. When you combine all Africans in the world, we are a majority. But we are the worst off when it comes to economy. We are slaves everywhere. You go to Jamaica, you go to America, you go to London. Umnyama is in the same position. Why? Because he neglected umoya. We've neglected the calendar besangamba ngayo. Remember ukuthi calendar githi, it's not just an ornament. Into oyipilayo on a daily basis by creating a resonance. Ukuze nawe uma sowudlula ke kulomhlaba, your heart must be as light as the feather. Hey, sisho ukuthini leso statement? Ukuthi wena uphile la emhlabeni, all that you were doing was to create harmony. Wherever you are, kune harmony, kune progress, kuna yonke chokuthi you see beauty in everything that you see. Even in the worst of challenges. Bakhona abantu abanjalo. Noma umuntu asenkingeni enjani. Kepha ubona ubuhle komunye umuntu. That is how we are as African people. Yingakho mesibulisa sithi sanibonani. Ngoba we recognize even the spirit that is not visible. Sinbunisa nonke. So, Tina, as African people, what used to happen? Umuntu mekebuya le DRC, anganalutho, anganamfuyo, anganalutho, will come here in the south, simnikeze yonke into ayidingayo. So that naye abe self-sufficient and self-reliant. Ngoba mesingakwenzi lokho, uzokokota la endlini zethu all the time. Ucela ushukela, ucela itswayi, ucela impuphu, yonke lento le. Hey, so we're trying to avoid that. That is creating harmony. Ukuthi, how do I sleep as an individual, knowing very well ukuthi umakhelwane akanalutho? If vele wena so ibulele leyo nto, it means we are beyond redemption. Lento ungasayifili. Ma ungasayifili, azi ke kahle ukuthi you are a walking cop. Hey. Lento ukuthi ungabi nenembeza, because unembeza uyafuneka khe. Uma ungasena nembeza ukuthi I am hungry and I will get the money I need and all the physical things I need at all cost. It means ukuthi if kumele udayise umfowenu kufanda Merve lapha umtshele ukuthi who was leading the looting, you will do that. So hamba ungena manje emzini yabantu wena ulandelwa ofanda Merve la, ha? Uthi nangu ngoba sebekupromisile ukulindile uAnpu. So kuyekeza lathina usichaphaze la emhlabeni. Kepha uAnpu umile uzophendula. Manje kusemqoka ke makhehla ukuthi sibuyele in who we are as African people, you know, so that we are able to be independent. This system, you know, ilokhu isihlukumeza all the time, like South Africa. It's like siyizimva ngaze ezenjweni njani zathelwa ngamanzi okwenziwalana. It means ukuthi bayasichaphaza. And futhi abasafihli. Basichaphaza openly. Ngoba bayazi ukuthi nilele. We are not going to do anything about it. Nizo complain nje emakhoneni. Instead of rising up and fighting injustice. You can't be wrong when you are fight injustice. Remember ukuthi art is about harmony and order and justice. When you then see injustice, you need to confront it. Ungatsheli nje ukuthi wena ngoba wakhula umama ethi meke kushaya ngapha umnike ngapha. Ayisebenzi. Meke shaya la uza ngenqindi loza. Uza ngenqindi so that angasakhona ukuqhubeka. Lento ukuthi baloba sichaphaza. So lokho satshelwa leyo wrong information. Ukuthi meke shaya la umnike ngapha. Yingakho sikule situation esikuyo. Ba justify yonke into embi abeyenzile. Ubutsotsi babo. Nanga le constitution le. That is a self-reliance okumele ngabe sibhizi ngayo manje. Ukuthi thina ngoba siyazi singabantu abamnyama. Akekho umuntu osifunayo, akekho umuntu osithandayo. We've got ourselves and nobody else. Instead ukuthi bakufune bakuthande ngoba ungumuntu, bafuna ukukusebenzisa. Uba ithulusi. Ifana nayo lento le yama BE. Makumele umuntu omnyama abhadalwe. Kuba nje nenye inkinga kuma boardroom. Umuntu omnyama akayideserve imali. bakuthathe wena uyobenzela millions every year bakunikeza 20,000 every month. Where's justice lapha? Out of your creativity mntu omnyama, huh? Then unjingisa somebody else. Ifana nalento, you know, all the inventions abantu abamnyama and patents are owned by abelungu. Hey, but you Ford never invented any car. It was Udak who invented the car. But because it was during slavery, he couldn't register a patent. So the slave master registered. So Ford was a slave master. So remember when you're driving that Ford. And all other brands are belong. Nalendo loku kichimela boma Black Friday. Without understanding and knowing the history of Black Friday. Because that was the day boku parade were ama slaves. Kutiwe, they are giving it a discount. Your own forefathers. They've commercialized that. Now we kichima utolo ukuthi abantu lapha abasanyathelani. Yeah? Ukichimelani. Ngoba umlungu uyakukhohlisa. Uthi lento 10 rand. Boku 40 rand before. Ukutshela manga ngoba the real price yiyo le 10 rand. Akuna discount nix lapho. Manje izinto lezi thina singabantu abamnyama. Remember ukuthi lapha elentuzo there's this magazine yase France. Le eyenza ama jokes ngoMuhammad. Bayibiza lo magazine. Lo magazine namhlanje anybody ofaka i-t-shirt yaleyo magazine uyi-target yama-Arab. Ongakupase baphezu kwakho because uthuka lento abakholelwa kuyo. What about us? Uze ubize umama wakho okulethe emhlabeni kuthi demoni. Huh? Hayi no mina ngumzalwana I'm saved. Hey. Hayi lezi zinto lezi abantu laba bangasekho kuphelile vele. And the science is you can't destroy energy. It means ukuthi umkhokho wakho usaphila namhlanje because ukhokho wakho was in physicality. Ukhokho wakho umoya, waye umoya even before. So how do you destroy umoya? You can't destroy umoya. So ukulimala kwama-Afrika yingakho sizithola kule situation esikuyo. We need this self-reliance because izosenza ukuthi mesiphahla siphahle sonke ngesikhathi esodwa so that she created the necessary vibration ezofika kumveli nqangi nonomkhubulwane basizwe mesikhuluma. That is why sikhuluma ngeunity. Asikhulumi ngeunity nje ukuthi sifuna ukujinga nje on the physical. Cha, we want to be rich spiritually. Bayukuthi sithole leyibusiso nezambulelo from ukulamadlozi kumveli nqangi nonomkhubulwane. That is why sipusha leyo agenda of uniting black people. Ngoba injustice yonke lento something that art negates. Art negates that. Kuthiwa futhi uSahmed. uSahmed is a hater of anybody that doesn't love my art. uSahmed comes and deals with those people. So manje sifike the most interesting time in our lives whereby manje umoya subona wenza izinto physically to really confirm ukuthi umoya is here to liberate us, because we are the firstborns. Ukulahleka kwabantu balahleka from in nature. They are talking about us. We are out of alignment. Meaning ukuthi njengoba singabantu abamnyama, we are not creating any resonance between izulu nomhlaba in everything that we do, because we have been turned upside down. Basifunze ikhalenda wrong. Ukuqa ngesikhathi esi-wrong. And wena uthi uwenza into enhle for idlozi. Idlozi lise-west when ubheke east. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo? Yingozi leyo. Yingozi leyo. Bese ke ubezwe bathi hayi yonke lento ayiphenduli. Vele ngeke iphendule because ushaya inumber wrong. Mele uthole iSIM card whatever. Mawufuna ushaya the right number. So bashaya lapho qala. Basi confuse our protons and electrons. Yonke lento confused. Ama cells ethu. Confused. Remember ukuthi ama cells, they send and receive information. When we are a big cell nje, yourself, because you are made out of smaller cells to complete the picture yakho. Manje ke mina mengiza ke ngizokukhohlisa ngokunikeze ukuthi ushaye inumber wrong. Ngiyakubulala. I'm killing you. Not physically, but by confusing your system. In that way, we are khona ukuthi manje badlale ngawe. Because so umhlaba. Uyangapha nangapha. Awusazi ukuthi umephi. Sezayo namhlanje. Sazokalkhanya. Sasa ukuphi? Abanye bathi, khona enye ingoma ethi idlozi ngelibalekele. Liyokukhipha kwalkhanyana ndoda. La uthi wena uphethe ilentuza yakhona, liqubuka idlozi. Bakhona sibaziyo bavukelwa amadlozi stage. Umuntu lokho ayitshela nje ukuthi yena is a new age. Akazingeni zonke lezi zinto. Idlozi lifike uperforma ndoda. Hawu! Injalo ke, injalo. So, kusemqoka ukuthi always you need to create a resonance. How do you do that? By doing the things esizenzayo la. Tina each and every season siya recognize. Asik recognize inyama. Tina si recognize umoya. Umoya that is there based on the proximity between the sun and earth. As umhlaba wethu lokhu uzungeza, it moves in degrees. And in those degrees, certain energies become prevalent. So if you are ignorant of that, angeke uzoyibambe lento. Self-reliance. Ukuthi it starts with you as an individual. Wazi ukuthi during the darkest hour, labo brabakho bowuthembele kubo bayabaleka bonke. And umoya wenza ngamabomu. So that uzothola isifundo ukuthi you can't rely on anybody emhlabeni. Abantu banama commitments abo, baneyinkinga zabo. Now you must know ukuthi mawufike kuleyo level, khuluma nengaphakathi lakho because it's the only thing that you have. And the ingaphakathi lakho will never fail you. Angeke bafane nale brazams abafundisi eziza la ebusuku. Ngoba basaba ukubonwa during the day. Hayi khehla Hey man, bengidlula ngibuya ngapha. Hawu. Itiming yakho ndoda. Always jumpers. Hawu kanjani ndoda? Ukulimala ke komuntu omnyama makhehla lokho. Uyabona umuntu omnyama ulimele ngempela. La athola khona ukuphila, kula sabakhona. Kula sabakhona. Uzubone ukuthi uyabona mina ngithi, uyabona istrategy sabelungu sebenzile. Sisebenzile. Ukuze silunge kumele sisibukisise le strategy. Ukuthi for abantu ukuthi bakholelwe kangaka kule nsumansumane yini indaba? Ngoba insumansumane, anything that is not linked or aligned to nature, insumansumane. Nami ngeke ngifike la ngintshele ukuthi hayi from namhlanje seniyokhothamela uMatiwani inkosi yami. Ngizobe ngisenyameni. Umehluko ulapho. Umehluko ula ukuthi thina sikhuluma ngemvelo. Masikhuluma ukuthi kumele simise isigodlo somoya. Sikhuluma ngesigodlo semvelo. Hayi le igodlo lezi uthola ukuthi kunombango nje all over. Phela mina ngibuye esigodlweni ekhaya eBergville. Umbango ukhona all over. Why? Because abantu basenyameni. They don't realize ukuthi ubukhosi into yenyama. Ungami lapha uthi wena ngifuna ukuba inkosi. Uyazalelwa ukuba inkosi and esibona ngezenzo zakho man. Ukuthi umoya wobukhosi uphezulu kwekhanda lakho. So ingakho ke ukuthi kule period esikuyo thina sesiqalile i-parallel system sesiyayiphila. Into esasele nje ukuthi kuhlangane igodlo. Sidinga igodlo ezi4. Makufika uJune representwa iSouth. Sile South. Makufika uSeptember representa iEast. Sisempumalanga. Makufika uDecember siseLimpopo. Sidinga isigodlo lapha. Sidinga isigodlo eNorthwest. So that sihambe nawo lo moya. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi ngesikhathi sakalenduza saka soka i-concentration yomoya points us to the south. Kumele sibe lapho. So all the 4 cardinal points yizindawo kumele sizahambe ke lezo. Sesikhuluma ngokuthi manje sibuilda ini self-reliance. We will never, again rely on people who can sabotage us anytime. Ifana nalento yebakery. Njengoba sizoqala ibakery, sibhizi ngokuthi si-identify ama-farmers that are going to supply i-wheat. Ngoba sidila neingane ezibuswa uSet. Mezibona ukuthi market esiphethe la elokishini bazosivala la ku-wheat. You remember what happened with Pepsi? I-Pepsi Cola had a sentimental support from black people. I-Coke yathenga wonke amabhodlela. How evil is that, man? Labantu. I-Coke yathenga wonke amabhodlela. It means ukuthi Pepsi no longer had amabhodlela to bottle. Ukehla Mthembu had to close shop. So sisenkingeni. Yingakho we need to be self-reliant. Masifuna i-fish oil. Asidependanga uVan der Merwe le. Melele elenduze Free State. Sithole amakhehla enza i-farming to supply us with a fish oil. We need to be self-reliant. so that kungabi nesabotage. Uyazi lento le ukuthi ungene bese ke uyahlehla ungene uhlehle. That doesn't give confidence to market. You need consistency. Ma ungena uthi launcha isinkwa azi ukuthi you've got enough supply of wheat. Abekho abantu abazokusabotage because that is what they will do. If brand yethu iyabamba, that is what they are going to do. Firstly, they are going to drop our prices up. Isinkwa bebesithengisa nge-18 rand, they will sell it at 7 rand just to kill us. So we need to wise up. Sifane namandiya. Amandiya mongaya lapha Lens. It doesn't matter ukuthi into yakho uyehlise kangakanani. But uzokutshela ukuthi I'm not buying from you. I'm buying from Patel because the money circulates around us like this. That's it. So that's the attitude we need to adopt as a black people. But as I say, always it starts with the self. Understand lo moya wako so that you are able to create a magic on a daily basis. Yini magic? Hacker. Hey. Yilento le indlovukazi esenzisa yona. Mesenza le meditation sikhuphula lombilini. Lombilini mawunyuka. Unyuka wenze ama magic in your life. Uthi uhleli la ungenasinkwa ungenaloto. Kuqhamuka umuntu nje from nowhere. Hayi man bengidlula yazi. Kodwa kwaba nento ethi ngene la. Athi nakho engize nakho. Umoya ke lo. That's how we live thina as African people. Siphila ngalo moya, amandla ethu ilo moya. Khuphula umbilini always. Lento esigqugquzelayo before ulala. Tsipa. Breathe in. Utipe ukhuphule lombilini. Because that is the energy oyidingayo for ukuthi wena usurvive. Thina abantu bomoya asi-survive. Why? Because you plan for the whole month. Ukuthi this is what we are going to do. Uzwa ngomoya mawuvuka ekseni ukuthi umoya uthi ngenzeni. Bese kuyayenza ke leyo nto leyo. And thina siphila ngama signs. Yini into eyenzakalayo nje naturally in my life. I record every day. Oh namhlanje kufika umpho wenzeni. Oh wenze lokho. Oh kusho ukuthi ku communicate walokho. Ngempilo yami. You read the signs. Kungena news endlini. Uyazi ukuthi good news. Sweet news. Kungena impukane nje enkulu. Uyazi ukuthi Usengingeni khehla. Usengingeni. Ifana lento le ukuthi uthola iaccident la ngaphandle. Ungablame lo muntu okuchayisile. Buza kuwe. Buza lo moya wakho ukuthi kwenze njani. Kungani ngaba ivictim nje umuntu ngidrivela go phezukwami. Mele ubuze idlozi ngoba inkinga ila kuwe. So izinto kumele sizi understand ipower yethu. Makhehla imelanin. Imelanin. A chemical that communicates. It sends and receives information. It means ukuthi uma siya emathuneni kusasele le melanin kulamathambo. What created a bone? Asile carbon. It means ukuthi asiyokhuluma namathambo lapha. Siyokhuluma nawe. Ngoba wena njengoba sowuhlukane nalo mzimba, umoya wakho is still attached. Angeke uzuhlukane. Angeke uzuhlukane nawe, lo moya ingakho mawuya lapha. Abantu abanengi bayaya but manje inkinga engibanayo ukuthi baya lapha mebese inkingeni. When things are going bad, that's when they remember Matuna. Kanti idlozi lithi uma ukhuluma igama lami ngaso sonke isikhathi uyangiphilisa. Hey, umuntu akafi njengovusa amazulu avusa amazulu uyophila kuze kube naphakade ngoba izizukulwane zezizukulwane ziyobe ifunda ngaye sithi nali khehla elaweza obaba nosibanibani. Hey, so ubabakho nomamakho ungabakhohlwa ukubabiza all the time, because ucreator that relationship nalo moya. Hey, link which is very important. Awusa umama soloko wamshiye emathuneni nobaba, awusayi nokuyovela lapha, awusa babizi nokubabiza ke mawuphahla. So kusemqoka ke makhehla ukuthi yabona itopic yanamhlanje it's supposed to liberate us. It's supposed to liberate us to say we don't need anything else from outside. We are complete. Our solution is within us. We need to be reliant. Especially like I. Kumele siphume completely kule system esikuyo. We need to build njengoba sesiqalile i-parallel system. How do you build i-parallel system? Yilento esiyenzayo abanye abantu baba impatient kube ngathi lento esiyenzayo ayikho or ayibonakali. Umoya uthi you can move from ground level to the first level ungakabi sure ukuthi everything is solid. Otherwise uzobe ubeka i-foundation a week. So ukupusha i-calendar yiyo ke lo foundation ukuthi mesihlangana singabantu abamnyama mele sihlanganiswe yilo moya wemvelo. Hayi ukuthi umkhulu uphupha amaphupha angakanani bese kazosiprofita la elinto. Eh sigcina sesithandaza umkhulu manje ngoba usitshela sometimes wenza nobutsotsi utshela umpho ukuthi eyambuze ukuthi lapha ekhaya kwenzakalani. Mengifika la ngitshela indaba zakho ngqo as if vele ngiyaprofita kanti fonkong yonke le nto. So isemqoka ke leyo nto leyo makhehla asibambeleleni nje ukuthi i-victory is certain for us. For us black people the future is very bright. Remember sathi abagqilazi bethu bazozambela ngesibathinte thina siyabaphahlela nje only ukuthi konke okubi osekubhizize uma-arts akuhlukane nathi. Siyabadinga belungu basho njalo abantu. Umlungu meke ngahamba la siyofa indlala. Asife indlala man. Basho njalo abanye abodade. Hayi lo khehla leli umkhulu ufuna ukusilambisa. Vele mele ulambe. Ukuze uhluzeke la ekhanda. Wazi kahle ukuthi uyabona le stove esibhaka isinkwa ungasenza wena. Before you reach that point, angakuyenze lento malokhu busy ne-comfort. I-comfort that will never last for you. I-temporary that comfort. Ifana nento ukuthi usebenze lapha, usebenzela belungu. There's no guarantee. So uzibophe ngamabhonde, wazibopha ngento amabhonde emoto nezindlu. And umlungu ukutshela ukuthi hey, i-COVID ifikile. Mele si-retrench. So no ikhanda manje ukuthi hey Nkosi yami ngabe ngiyenza njani? Yile nto ngisho. Whilst usebenza lapha kwamlungu, build your own thing. So ube ne second hustle on the side. Ukuthi makuwa ngapha ngoba kuzowa vele. There's no guarantee there. I'm able to pick up on something that I love. I'll be doing passion yam, and my passion will be able to pay my bills. That is very important, Makesh. Ulapho Ndlovukati. Thokozile. Siyabonga.
A round of applause for Umkhulu. Thank you so much, Umkhulu. Siyawabulela amadlozi wakho. Siyawabulela nawethu that we had to be aligned. Meeting you in our lifetime is such a gift. Because as we walk out this afternoon, now you know what to think.